Microwave heating pad. ThermiPaq Hot-Cold Pain Relief Wrap. Medium features clay-based hot and cold therapy for deep penetrating relief. The pad is reusable and the soft fleece sleeve with velcro strap is machine washable for easy cleaning. Hot-Cold Pack. With a soft fleece cover adjustable velcro strap, the ThermiPaq Hot-Cold Pack Wrap can be secured to neck, shoulders, ankles, knees or elbows, molding to your body for targeted pain relief injury recovery. ThermiPaq is a leader in hot and cold packs for therapy. The heat pack uses a thermal ceramic compound from all-natural clay-based materials utilizing radiant energy to create a deep penetrating therapeutic system for hot-cold therapy. Reusable heat pack cold pack. The clay-based pad is reusable. It can be heated in the microwave and cooled in the freezer. The wrap releases its heat or cold slowly for a deeper penetration of therapeutic relief. For bruising, sprains, or swelling. Multi-use pack. A leader in ice packs for injuries and pain. A great ice pack for knee and a great surgery recovery gifts after ankle, shoulder, or knee surgery, also great for back pain. Also doubles as a neck wrap for neck pain. Great for headaches too. Top reviews from the United States. This is the best non-electric heating pad I have used. It only takes a couple minutes to heat in the microwave. It does not feel that hot when I put it on, but it does provide a constant warm source, still warm after 20 minutes. It is warm enough to cause light perspiration. Do not overheat it. I put the wrong number in the microwave and saw it starting to expand, like the warning in the instructions. This is better than the gel packs I have been using.